and X is to skip. When we are entering from keyboard to a particular tab, okay, we will get a particular result. So that we are going for a program, then we are defining character equals to get characters. Get character is a type of functions which is used to get the character onto the console. Console is a command prompt on which we produce the output of a particular program in the C language. Okay, what happens, get character will produce a particular output. We are fetching some keywords, and that keywords to be placed onto the console. To place a particular keyword onto the console, we use get character functions. Now see in the program. Now see in the particular program what we had done. Switch with a condition. There we are having condition is characters. We are having different characters A, T, B, X. Okay, then what happens, for checking a particular characters we have to define a particular conditions in the switch statements. Then case A means it is a character value. For writing a character value with the case statements, before colon statements we have to define some quotations, that is some single quotes with particular character. Okay, case single quote A colon printf, you select air. When we are pressing the tab A, or which normal easier way के अंदर we can define, if we are pressing A, okay, we will get that you had select an air ticket and it will break the statements. What happens after print statements, you are seeing a break block. Okay, break statements will break a particular condition. If the condition A is true, it will break. Okay, it will not go to the case B. Then if the condition is false, it will check to the case B. Case B, similar way, similar pattern, case single quotes B colon printf, you select by train. Okay, now for B you are selecting by train. Okay, then the break statement again is given. Why we are going for the break statement? Break statement defines that you cannot choose more than one statements. You cannot choose more than one case from a list of the cases which we are defining. Okay, then we are having T. The case T defines that you had select by bus and break, and the last statement is case X, that you are skipping by not selecting anything. Then the default statements, when we are skipping, then the default statements will print no choices. If we are not taking any type of choices, it will print no choices. Okay, then what happens by selecting A, T, B, X, we can check it out that what type of particular outputs we need. Okay, we are seeing in the program the switch statements including the characters. The characters are defined by using a get character functions. If we are pressing any type of key, it will detect it by the get character functions and placed onto the switch statement. Okay, then this is about switch statements. Some of the things why we are needing that switch statement is very important. We can use switch statements to convert. Suppose if you want to make a typical type of a mark sheet, so we can use it for the conversion of our statements. We can define a particular mark sheet in terms of the maximum marks with the marks to be obtained by a student, and we can define in a particular index. Then the convert marks into an integer. The variable index takes the following integer values. Suppose we are having a program of such type 100. Okay, then the marks is 100, then the index value is 10. You are getting a 10 marks if you are achieving, or if you are obtaining 100 marks out of 100. If you are obtaining 90 to 99, then your index will be 9. Okay, then it is as similar as CPI and SPI getting from the GTU. Okay, then 80 to 89, your index will be 8. 70 to 79, the index will be 7, and so on up to 0. If your index is 30 to 39, you will be fail. You can also mention the fail conditions in the index also. then these type of statements, these type of examples can be done by using the switch statements. See, in the program what happens, index equals to marks divided by 10. Okay, if your marks divided by 10 is to be checked, we can define the values in, we can copy the value in index, then switch index case 10 case 9, then the grade equals to A. What we are doing, we are checking if my grade, if we are checking the values, if we are getting the values of 10, 9, okay, then we are assigning them a particular grade. What we are deciding, what we are giving for 9 and 10, we are giving a grade A, and we are breaking the statements. If my case is 8, then the grade will be given B, and if my case is 7, the grade will be given C, and if my case is 6, the D grade, and the default grade, which the students will not ever get any type of marks, or the students who are getting below the passing marks can get the grade E. Okay, E defines a grade in which the students, number of students who are getting failed in the examinations. The switch statement is generally used when we want to check it out from hundreds of statements for a particular condition. If my condition is true, from the hundreds of conditions we can check it out that the condition is true or not. Suppose I want to check from the students of the class that how many of the students of a class is passed in CPU, or the how many of the students get a particular grade in a CPU examinations, we can check according to the switch statements. This is a one most important statements which is generally used in the higher programming languages also. That's all folks from my sides. In the next time we will discuss about the go-to statements and more criteria about learning the looping functions